Welcome to this beautiful journey of yoga. Today we will explore the 10 amazing benefits of yoga and how it can bring health and happiness to your body and mind. Number 1. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self to the self. Number 2. Inhale the future, exhale the past. Number 3. Yoga adds years to your life and life to your years. Number 4. The pose begins when you want to leave it. Number 5. Yoga is not about touching your toes. It's about what you learn on the way down. Number 6. Be where you are, not where you think you should be. Number 7. Breathe deeply, let go, and flow. Number 8. Yoga is the perfect opportunity to be curious about who you are. Number 9. Balance is not something you find, it's something you create. Number 10. Your body exists in the past and your mind in the future. In yoga, they come together in the present. Thank for full video watching. More videos for subscribe now.